How to sync audio and video in CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your CapCut, click on the option of New Project. Your gallery will open up. Now you can import the video clips. Then click on the option of Audio. You'll get different options. Using any of these options, you can easily add audio to your video. I have chosen the random song. Once you have chosen the audio, now at the bottom you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of Beats. Now enable for this option of Auto Generate. This feature will add markers at the points where the beats occur in the song. You can see that you can also delete or add the beat. If you want to do so, you can click on this option of Add Beat or Delete Beat. After you customize this beat setting, you can click on this icon given at the bottom right corner. Now to make editing process easier, pinch the screen with 2 fingers to zoom in on the timeline. This will help you see the beat markers more clearly. Now let's sync your videos with the beats. For each beat marker, select the video clip, click on Split at the bottom left and then delete the unnecessary part. Repeat this process for each beat marker, click on the video split at the beat and delete the extra part. By doing this video will change at every beat, creating a dynamic and engaging edit. You can follow this method to sync photos, videos or any other media with the beats of your chosen song. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Thanks for watching.